Hi, I'm Alix Paultre with Open Systems Media and Embedded Computing Design, and I'm here with Nick Antonopoulos. He's with Kuprion, and I'm here in California. I'm on my way back from the APEC conference, and, well, I just had to stop in and say hi to you, Nick. How you doing?
I'm doing great. Thanks for coming by.
Well, everyone's always thinking about the systems, but packaging and interconnect are critical as well, right?
It's getting more important all the time.
And so your company is dealing with a new type of interconnect to replace soldering. Is that correct?
That's correct. Yes, we created a material we call Nano Copper, and it's used for both interconnecting components as well as we can print the devices down.
Okay, so you can use it as an ink, or is it like a paste? What's the material aspects?
It basically starts as a paste, and then we could add additional materials to actually thin it down so we can go from inkjet printing all the way up to dispensing.
So essentially but does that affect the transmissivity, conductivity, the amount of the material, or how does that all work?
No, basically what we do is, here's an example. We have copper that we have in this little container here, and what we do is when we apply it down there, we center it at what they call 200C, and at the time for about 5 minutes, and after that you're left with just bulk copper. So now we're able to enable a complete copper-to-copper system with no issues related to having solder where there's resistance or migrations or tin whiskers. No, it's a pure copper system now.
Well, and I've been hearing a lot about conductive adhesives and the like. What would you say sets you apart from some of the other conductive adhesives on the market, or the other people who are saying they can do the same similar effects?
Well, we do not add anything to it. By the time we're all done and after we sintered it, you're left with just copper. So most of the adhesives, there's always some residue left inside after the bonding. With us, you basically have a metal adhesive, and the metal adhesive is copper.
Very nice. Now, you've got some other things here. What are we looking at? What are these rods showing us here?
So basically what we've done is we're a pressureless sintering device. So here's an example of this solid piece of little copper, if you could see it here. It's actually what our material is after it's sintered. And it's basically all copper. There's nothing else left in it. And then we've actually been able to print the material. For example, here's it printed on glass. So this is actually, again, printed right on glass. In this case, because it's on glass, we add a little adhesive that we make ourselves. But now you've got the ability to print antennas or any kind of devices on glass. All the way up to, and here's some examples of printing it in between two solid copper bars. And if you see it close enough, there's a little piece in between. That little black piece is the nano copper that we added to that. And so now we took two solid pieces of copper, put our material between it, and now you have a solid piece of copper. We even have some very thin pieces here,
Hold it up a little closer.
which is actually we did some screen printing. And again, we peeled it off just to show how thin it is. And that's the market that we're going after today. So we're basically a drop-in replacement. You don't need any special equipment. You have typical reflow ovens. We work on those. You have typical print dispensing, inkjet printing, aerosol printing, stencil printing. So our goal is to formulate our material to meet exactly the customer's requirements so that it's a drop-in replacement.
Now, last but not least, I think this is the last thing you have here. What exactly is this?
This is a patch antenna that we're actually working with. Our material is actually going to be going up in space on the next shuttle in April. We worked with University of Texas, El Paso, and they worked with NASA, and they're using our material. And this is basically a patch antenna that'll go up in a cube satellite. And you'll notice on it, there's a little dot. That's we can actually solder on our material. So something that you can't do with a lot of the other nano silvers are out there with our nano copper, so it makes it very easy to integrate into any kind of system.
Excellent. So where do they get more information? How can they find out about you? Where do they go?
The best place to go is to go to our website, kuprioninc.com.
Spell it out for them, please.
KUPRIONINC.com. There's a little presentation there, and we're actively engaged with a number of customers in power electronics, LEDs, printing today.
Thanks a lot. I really appreciate you taking the time, Nick, and hopefully have some more news from you soon.
Great. Thank you very much.
Pleasure's mine.